So hello and welcome to another video of software testing. In this video, we are going to talk about smoke testing. That is, what is smoke testing, when it is used, what is the use of it, and what are the advantages of smoke testing. We are going to talk about this in this video. Smoke testing is a process of testing the basic and crucial functionality of an application is working properly or not. Okay. So smoke testing is done to make sure that the basic functionality of an application is working properly or not, when and where it is used. So initially you will be getting a build. It can be any APK file or IPA file or anything, an application, which is a package which will have multiple modules of multiple modules placed together in one file or one package to build an application. Or you can say a simple build which you will get from the development team. After that, receiving the build, you will be checking the basic functionality of the application to catch any failures in the early stages of the development of that application. Okay, so smoke testing will be done on the builds as soon as you receive from the developer and check the basic functionality of it. So if there is any failure in it, without going to further thing, you should catch it early and inform it to development team so they can fix it and provide it to another to proceed further for testing. Let's say for example, let's say for example, for the basic understanding, for the easy understanding, here I have a diagram which representing a user log. Let's say this is a e-commerce application, e-commerce application. Okay, so here there is a new user. Okay, so when an application is launched, there will be you will be having option to either register or to log in. Okay, so if it is a new user who does not have any credentials, then he will be going for the register, and after register, he will be going to log to application and access the other pages like page, adding the items to the cart, making payment, and ordering something. So let's say a new user has come to your application and he is trying to log in. So this log take it as a basic functionality. This register also take it as basic functionality of your application. Okay. So when a new come to your application and he is trying to register in the basic phase only, if he is not able to register, how can he be able to use this all functionalities here? Okay, you are getting me? So you can say if user cannot register, then how can he be able to log in into this project and product and access all this functionality? These are the different modules. Okay, so these are the modules. You can multiple modules together connected and form a end-to-end flow. So application can be work for multiple modules integrated together to form application. Okay, so here let's say if the user is able to register, if the user is able to register and now he is able to now he has logged in. After login, if he is not able to reach out to the product page, then after login he is showing a blank page here. On this product page is showing a blank page. This functionality is broken here. That this is the basic test, that is crucial functionality. This at least after login the page is must load. So the user can check the products on the page or of the application. So this is also a crucial functionality. Same goes with add to cart. If user cannot add items to cart, so then there might be just that he cannot go for the further steps. Okay, he cannot make the payments, then he cannot come order. Okay, so these are the crucial functionalities. These are crucial functionalities, the big functionalities. So checking these basic functionalities of an application in the early stages of the development make sure that the app is the failure is caught in the early development. Okay, so with this you can say that the smoke testing is done on the basic functionalities to make sure that to go further testing, it should pass this smoke testing so you can perform the in-depth testing later. In-depth testing later. Okay. So this is the use of the smoke testing. So now you can say that smoke testing is checking the basic functionality of an application to make sure that the application working properly. Okay. After that, you can say so smoke testing also called build verification test or confidence testing. So this is a method to determine if a new software build is ready for new testing phase. Okay. So this is smoke testing. And what are the different types of smoke testing? This can be a different smoke testing is like it is manual smoke testing, then automation smoke testing, and another is like hybrid smoke thing. Okay, so different types of smoke testing. So in the manual smoke testing, QA team is checking all the basic functionalities manually, and in the automated test case, QA team is using some automation tools and writing some script to make the testing uh, then write some scripts to make sure that the testing is done by using the tools. In hybrid testing, this is a combination of both manual and automation, both together. Like in this, you are having both manual resources and also with the automation resources. Okay. So how smoke testing is working is like performing that smoke testing after the developer has given a build. Okay. Once the build is received, testers QA team does the testing on this build. If they found any failure, they will be reporting again to this team, and dev team will be fixing this and giving them another build. Okay. So uh, in this way, there is any failures in the application, this there is a high chances that it will get caught in the early stages. Okay. So the disadvantage of this process is you cannot test the application deeper. You will be only checking the basic functionalities. Okay. So basic functionalities can be tested, and you must ensure you cannot test the deeper application, the functionalities of this application in the smoke testing. Okay. So we cannot say that is disadvantages also, but uh, it also can be taken as advantage that when you don't have much time to test the whole application, you can do the smoke test and make sure that this is working properly, and you can give it customer so customer can by the time you get the more by the time you test the application you will get the confidence that the client will be having something to make it satisfied. Okay. So this is all about the smoke testing. So see you in the video, and please make sure to like, share, and subscribe if you like the video, and keep watching. See you in the next video.